Hi everyone, welcome to Yoga with Om Learning Zone. Today we are going to talk about exercise that will be very useful when you're working long hours on computer.
Typically, when you work for long hours, the first type of joints that gets affected is your finger joints and your wrist joint. It remains in this position continuously, and hence the blood supply towards this part becomes a challenge. This may also result into continuous or intermittent pain in wrist joint and forearm. Also, while looking at computer continuously, you miss to see when your neck and your shoulder blade bends forward, and in long run your posture becomes bent forward posture. So let's begin with finger joint and palm exercise. Inhale and stretch your fingers apart as far as you can. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now exhale and make a tight fist. Press your thumb as hard as possible with your fingers. Again count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now inhale and stretch your fingers again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Make a fist this time, taking the thumb above your fingers. Press your fingers hard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat this exercise for at least 5 times before we move to the next one. Bring forward your arms. Now inhale. Bend your palm from wrist, pointing your fingers to the floor. Stretch from shoulder. Stretch from wrist. Remain in this position for 5 seconds. Exhale and bend your palm upward, pointing the fingers to the sky. Stay there for 5 seconds. Repeat. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the third one. Cross your fingers, stretch your hand and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release and relax. For shoulder exercise, sit straight. Raise your hands to form letter W. With inhalation, push your shoulders back as far as you can and stay in this position with 5 counts. Now, slowly bring your hands in the front in Namaskar Mudra with exhalation and stay there for 5 seconds again. Repeat with me and observe the two-way stretch you get on your shoulder blades. Another wonderful exercise is reverse prayer pose. With inhalation, move your hands on your back and form Namaskar Mudra. Stay in this position for 5 to 10 seconds. Initially, you may find this is a difficult pose, so I would request you to start slow. In that case, start from wherever you can reach and target. Every 2 days, you would like to move up the ladder at least 1 or 2 inches. Persistence will help you to reach the position. Another very good exercise is Gaumukhasana. With inhalation, raise your right hand up and take it on your back along with Also move your left hand from the side and try to hold the fingers of right hand. Stay there for 5 to 10 counts with normal breathing. Exhale and release the pose. Let's repeat the pose from another side. Inhale, raise your left hand, put it on your back along with take your right hand from side and try to reach the fingers of left hand. Hold it for 5 to 10 counts. Repeat it at least for 5 times. Release and relax. Hope this will be useful to you. We will cover further shoulder joint exercise, neck exercise and back exercise in upcoming parts. Stay tuned. Till then, thank you. Have a good day.